RFL labs are only at our centers? I don't think so. Let me show you how. Today, I'm at HB Kapadia New High School, one of Ahmedabad's most prestigious CBSE institutions, to show you what happens when a school truly decides to future-proof its curriculum. This isn't just a one-off workshop. This is an entire year of hands-on exposure.
Whether it's a 5th grader training an AI model or an 8th grader troubleshooting an Arduino circuit, the focus here is on the purpose.
In AI Lab, we learn about robotics, AI, circuits. Also, we had created so many different projects like that street lights, water detector. We use infrared sensors to calculate distance, and even created a robotic car which moves in different shapes. We had even coded it with the help of pictoblocks.
They are building the problem-solving skills and the resilience they'll need for global competitions and eventually their college applications.
I made a decision with my teammate that we would start doing FTC in the team called Gujarat Tech Titans, which was currently looking for members. So we joined that team and I started my career in FTC. And after that, we went to APOC, that's Asia Pacific Open Championship, where we won Connect Award, Precious Award in the whole first competition. And then I did FTC, the latest season Recode, where we went to nationals and got 2 awards, that is Teach Award and Design Award.
What makes this partnership with HBK so successful is the shared vision. We provide the curriculum, specialized hardware, trained coaches. It's about ensuring that every child gets the opportunity to become a thinker and a builder.
I'm Harsh Kapadia, trustee, HB Kapadia New High School. We are running one of the largest robotics program in the city, where more than 3,000 students are learning robotics in Ahmedabad. Now, coding and robotics is something that is like an essential skill that students must adapt to and learn from a very early age. So we introduced coding, robotics and AI right from grade 1. Robotics program, we do it in association with RFL, one of the leading trainers in the city. We chose RFL because of the fantastic results that they have and the students who have done exceedingly well at the national and international forums, and they won trophies and medals for the country. So for us, it was a right choice to partner with RFL for our robotics program in the school, and I think we have been more than satisfied with the program. The support from the trainers has been fantastic, and the way they deliver the sessions is very good. Students are more and more curious now. They're building amazing robots. Curiosity levels have increased. The ability to solve problems, the problem solving skills have increased manifold. Obviously, it's a large scale, and executing a program like robotics on scale is something that was really challenging at the planning level. But while we sat with the team from RFL and our own team, we came up with a common curriculum and extra support for students, for slow learners, to ensure everybody adapts well, for which RFL has been the right partner for us. And overall, this has been a very good experience for us.
We are proud to facilitate this transformation at HB Kapadia New High School. And we're bringing the same standard to schools across the country every day. If you are wondering how to take your school to the next step into the future, then we'd love to talk. I am Kashish with RFL Academy, and we are bringing the future one classroom at a time.